Let's go back 70 million years.
Taking a photo and seeing what song TikTok gives me.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
You walk into your new classroom to meet your teacher and you see me. What's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Run away. I'll just catch up with you later in your nightmare.
Rappers, I got real bands. In the crib, bustin' my top lil dance. I don't troll, I do it for the real fans. Play the song and turn it with my little man.
I got this! 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 I got this!
These niggas out here snitching, they with the rat pack. Hit them with the chopper, that's the rat trap. Find them in a trash bag off the interstate.
This song is called A World on Fire. This next song.
The star goes bright on the...
So I ordered these clothes 3 months ago, and not once have they showed up. I've emailed literally everyone. Bro, I'm serious. That was literally the funniest shit I've ever seen in my life. Lazy Dog can get happy hour. Like, we could probably get a beer or something. 100%.
I'll commit all the crime I want. Isn't that just goo-goo gaga-licious?
But the one thing they love more than a hero is to see a hero fail, fall, die trying. It's my...
No, before this is over, I'm gonna need a whole lot of serious therapy. Look at my eye twitching.
Barbie, let's go party.
Say I'm crazy, but y'all see that? The government will still tell you dinosaurs don't exist. How do you explain a Catosaurus Rex, bro? Y'all really gotta wake up to this matrix. I can't even get into all that. I think the feds got my other cat cooperating.
Hi.
Hi. Yo, what the f***?
Hi. What the fuck?
Hi. Hi.
Shady. Aftermath. Gee, you nick. Damn, baby, all I need is a little...
Can I be yelling out gang gang? Do you gang bang? I be outside with my gang gang. Chunk your gang signs if you gang bang. I be outside with my gang. I'm from the deuce, the boat, the bigs, the 8, the 9. I'm from the deuce.
6, 7.
I don't fuck with 12 and they don't fuck with me. Bitch had guarantee on a no truck, suck dick for a grand. Said my
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
y'all pulled up with me, I would've seen y'all niggas outside.
شكلي بنوصل بالكوب بس لا يوصل.
Yes, Mom?
If you like to talk to tomatoes. If a squash can make you smile.
His name is John C.
So most people don't know this about the Ford Transits. This little cubby right here is specifically made just for your cell phone.
I pet my dog. You see, petting the dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress.
My name is Walter Hartwell White. I live at 308 Negra Arroyo Lane, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87104.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Tra-la-la! Are you worried about impending doom? Those evil villains got you filled with gloom.